Everybody, I just want to make this short video about the case method. Yep, the case method. If you don't know what that is, Google it or look it up. It's a method that many top business schools use in order to train their students or teach their students. So instead of handing out a textbook, there are cases that are authored by business school professors, and usually they're between 10 and 20 pages. And they put you, the student, in the role of the decision maker or protagonist. So usually you're like the CEO or some top level executive. And the case information is qualitative and quantitative. So it has soft information about people's personalities, and it has a ton of data, qualitative data. And usually at the end of the case, they'll say, well, you have to make a decision. They don't give you all the information you need to make the decision. A lot of it you have to come up with yourself based on analyzing what they give you. Then when you go to class, the professor will cold call, which means you don't know if you're going to get called on or not, to open the case and give your analysis. And you're under tremendous pressure in front of a lot of very smart people, and then a discussion ensues, and either analysis is supported or not. And it's very rigorous, and it's been around for a long time, so look it up. Here's the point of this video. If any business school professor or anybody wrote a case about marriage and divorce and put you in the role of a person that's contemplating getting married, and in the case it gave you all the statistics about marriage, how long they last and what the factors are, and it also had all the divorce laws that are relevant to your jurisdiction, or just general divorce laws on how property is distributed or how divorce works, what no-fault divorce is, what fault divorce is, and how prenups work, and all that stuff. And then at the end of the case, they left you with this question. You have to decide, should I get married or not? I would respectfully submit to you that 99.9% of the people watching this would not get married. Wow, why? Because the odds are so stacked against you to live happily ever after till death do you part, that no executive with a brain would say, yeah, we ought to risk the company, the future of the company, on getting into a contract where the other side could just back out of it. Wow, do you ever think about things like that? Here's what I want you to do. If you don't know what the case method is, just do a light search on it. You'll see what I'm talking about. But more importantly, before you get married, do research on what it's like to get unmarried, okay? It's out there. It's out there. Book a consultation with a family law attorney. They'll give you your rights and responsibilities. It'd be the best time and money that you could ever spend, all right? If you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe. If you have a question, leave a comment. If you went to a business school that did the case method like I did, let me know what you think, okay? Have a great day, and be careful out there, and do your homework.